Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. How are you today? I hope you are happy and relaxed.
Hi friends! Yes, welcome back! Today, David and I have a fun topic for you. We are so excited to talk about it.
That's right, Alice. Today we will talk about personality. Yes, your personality. This means who you are. Are you funny? Are you kind? Are you quiet?
I love this topic. Personality words are very useful. You can use them every day. You can talk about yourself. You can talk about your friends and family too.
Exactly. And don't worry, we will speak slowly. We will use easy words. Just relax and listen carefully.
Yes, take your time. You can listen while you cook, or while you drive, or even while you relax on your sofa. No stress today, okay?
No stress, just easy English. But first, small favor, friends. If you enjoy our videos, please click the like button. And if you are new here, please subscribe. It helps us so much.
Yes, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell too. Then you will not miss our new videos. Okay, now let's start.
Great. So, Alice, let me ask you a simple question first. How is your personality? Can you describe yourself in 3 words?
Good question. I think I am friendly, funny, and a little bit shy. What about you, David?
Ha, shy? You are not shy at all, Alice. You talk so much.
Okay, maybe I am not so shy. But sometimes with new people, I feel a little shy. Just a little.
I understand. That happens to me too. Okay, so my personality. I think I am honest, patient, and hardworking. Those are 3 good words.
Nice. Those are great words. Let's slow down now. Let's repeat these words together so our listeners can practice.
Good idea. Repeat after us, friends. Say it with me. Friendly. Friendly. One more time. Friendly.
Friendly means you are nice to people. You smile. You talk with everyone easily. For example, my sister is very friendly. She talks to everyone at the party.
Perfect example. Now let's do the next word. Funny. Funny. Say it again. Funny.
Funny means you make people laugh. You tell jokes. For example, my brother is so funny. He always makes me laugh.
Ha, that's true for my brother too. He tells terrible jokes, but I still laugh.
That happens with funny people. Okay, next word. Shy. Shy. One more time. Shy.
Shy means you feel nervous with new people. You don't talk much. For example, the new student is shy. She doesn't talk in class.
Good example. I remember when I was young, I was very shy at school. I never raised my hand.
Really? I can't imagine that, Alice. You talk so much now.
Ha! People change. Okay, let's continue. Next word. Kind. Kind. Say it again. Kind.
Kind means you are good to people. You help others. For example, my grandmother is very kind. She always helps her neighbors.
That's beautiful. Kindness is important, right? Okay, next word. Honest. Honest. One more time. Honest.
Honest means you tell the truth. You don't lie. For example, my friend is honest. He always tells me the truth, even when it's difficult.
Yes, honesty is very important in friendship. Okay, next word, and this is a fun one. Hardworking. Hardworking. Say it again. Hardworking.
Hardworking means you work very hard. You don't stop easily. For example, my mother is hardworking. She works all day, and she never complains.
I love that example, David. That is true for many mothers around the world. Okay, next word. Patient. Patient. One more time. Patient.
Patient means you can wait calmly. You don't get angry easily. For example, my teacher is very patient. She explains things many times, and she never gets angry.
That's a good teacher. Okay, one more important word. Outgoing. Outgoing. Say it again. Outgoing.
Outgoing means you like to meet new people. You enjoy parties and social activities. For example, my cousin is outgoing. She loves meeting new people and going to parties.
Nice. And the opposite of outgoing is introvert or quiet. Some people like to stay home. Some people like to go out. Both are okay.
Yes, exactly. There is no wrong personality. Every personality is special and different. That's what makes people interesting.
So true, David. Okay, now let's practice a simple conversation. Imagine, David, you meet a new friend. What can you ask about their personality?
Good question. You can ask, "What are you like?" or "How would you describe your personality?" These are simple, natural questions.
Nice. Let's practice. David, pretend you are my new friend. Hi, nice to meet you. What are you like?
Hi, Alice. Nice to meet you too. I am friendly and funny. I love talking to new people. What about you?
I am kind and a little shy at first, but when I know you better, I talk a lot.
That's exactly like real life. Many people feel shy at first, and then they become more talkative. It's normal.
Yes, very normal. Okay, friends, now it's your turn. Pause the video and try to answer this question. What are you like? Try to use 2 or 3 personality words.
Take your time. There's no rush. You can say it out loud even if you are alone. Speaking out loud helps you remember better.
That's a great tip. Okay, let's continue. Now, let's talk about describing other people. This is very useful too.
Yes, for example, you can talk about your family members. Let's practice. Alice, tell me about your best friend's personality.
Okay, my best friend is very outgoing and funny. She always makes our group laugh. But she is also very honest. She always tells me the truth.
She sounds like a great friend. I have a friend like that too. He is hardworking and patient. He never gets angry, even when things are difficult.
That's wonderful. Friends like that are very special. Okay, now let's learn a few more useful personality words. Are you ready, David?
Yes, let's go. Next word, creative. Creative. Say it again. Creative.
Creative means you have many new ideas. You like art, music, or writing. For example, my sister is creative. She paints beautiful pictures.
I wish I was creative. I can't draw at all. My drawings look like a 5-year-old made them.
Don't worry, David. Not everyone needs to be creative. We are all different, remember? Okay, next word, calm. Calm. One more time, calm.
Calm means you don't get upset easily. You stay relaxed, even in difficult situations. For example, my father is very calm. He never shouts, even when he is stressed.
That's a wonderful quality. Okay, next word, confident. Confident. Say it again, confident.
Confident means you believe in yourself. You are not afraid to try new things. For example, my colleague is confident. She speaks in meetings without fear.
I want to be more confident. Sometimes I feel nervous speaking in front of many people.
Me too, Alice. But you know what? Practice helps. The more you speak, the more confident you become. Just like learning English.
That's so true. Speaking English is the same. At first it feels scary, but with practice it becomes easier and easier.
Exactly. So friends, keep practicing with us. Every video makes you a little better. Okay, let's learn 2 more words. Next, lazy. Lazy. Say it again. Lazy.
Lazy means you don't like to work. You prefer to rest. For example, on Sundays I feel lazy. I just want to stay in bed.
I think everyone feels lazy on Sundays. That's normal.
True. Okay, last word for today. Talkative. Talkative. One more time. Talkative.
Talkative means you like to talk a lot. For example, my sister is very talkative. She can talk for hours on the phone.
David, I think that word describes me perfectly.
Yes, maybe a little. But that's okay, Alice. Talkative people make conversations fun and interesting.
Thank you, David. Okay, now let's review all the words we learned today. Are you ready, friends? Let's go slowly.
Friendly, funny, shy, kind, honest, hardworking, patient, outgoing,
Creative, calm, confident, lazy, talkative. Great job, everyone. You are learning so many new words today.
Now, let's practice one more time with simple sentences. Repeat after us, slowly. I am friendly.
I am friendly. Now you say it. Good job. Next, I am a little shy.
I am a little shy. Very good. Next, my friend is funny.
My friend is funny. Excellent. Next, my mother is hardworking.
My mother is hardworking. Perfect. You are doing so well, friends. Keep practicing every day.
Yes, practice a little every day. Even 5 minutes helps. Consistency is the key to learning English.
That's such a good point, Alice. Learning English is like learning to cook. You don't become a great cook in one day. You practice little by little.
I love that comparison. Speaking of cooking, David, are you a good cook?
Not really. I think I am more lazy in the kitchen. What about you?
I love cooking. I think I am creative in the kitchen. I like to try new recipes.
That's wonderful. Okay, friends, before we finish, let's do one more fun activity. Think about 3 people in your life. Maybe your mother, your best friend, and yourself.
Yes. Try to describe each person with one personality word. For example, my mother is kind. My best friend is funny. I am hardworking.
Try this at home, or even now, in your mind. This is great practice. It helps you remember the words better.
Yes, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Even David makes mistakes sometimes.
Hey, that's true, actually. Yesterday, I said I am boring instead of I am bored. Big difference.
Yes, big difference. Boring means you make other people feel bored. Bored means you feel bored yourself. Small mistake, but important to remember.
Good tip, Alice. So, friends, be careful with these words, but don't worry too much. Mistakes help you learn faster.
Exactly. Okay, I think we covered a lot today. Let's do a quick summary. Today, we learned personality words in English.
We learned friendly, funny, shy, kind, honest, hardworking, patient, outgoing, creative, calm, confident, lazy, and talkative.
We also practiced simple questions like, "What are you like?" and "How would you describe your personality?"
And we practiced simple sentences like, I am friendly, and my mother is hardworking. Great job, everyone, for practicing with us today.
Yes, wonderful job. Remember, learning a language takes time. Be patient with yourself, just like we talked about today.
That's right. Every day you are improving, even if you don't notice it. Keep watching, keep practicing, and keep speaking.
Now, before we go, we want to hear from you. Tell us in the comments. How would you describe your personality? Use one of today's words.
Yes, write it in the comments below. For example, I am funny, or I am shy, or I am hardworking. We would love to read your answers.
We read every comment, so don't be shy. Practice writing in English too. It's another great way to learn.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new here, subscribe to our channel for more English lessons like this one.
See you in the next video, friends. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep learning English every day.
Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See you soon.